Hey everybody, sorry for the long break. Haven't posted a video in a long time, but I've been really busy, so welcome back to That Nameless JL channel. I appreciate you coming by. Wanted to go over a quick little mod for the JL fenders. You know, everybody's got those little problems with the rocks and the pebbles that go in there when you drive through those muddy puddles or those dirt baths, and just off-roading in general. Bugs and everything gets in there. It's kind of a pain in the ass, and when I do clean my car, I am pretty particular and like it really clean. So the answer is this Trim-Lok tubing. Get it off of Amazon for about 20 bucks for 25 feet. It's the .276 Trim-Lok. I'll put a link at the bottom of the video for this if you want to find it. I know there's some other videos on it. I know this stuff works. Pretty easy to install. You just take one of the plastic trim tools that are pretty readily available and just wedge it in there as you push down on the fenders, and you won't have any issues. This is pretty easy to lay out. I got a nice plastic trim tool here with a little blunt tip to wedge it in between, and just take the tubing and run it through. Not a lot to it. Except for underneath these locks. And all I'm doing is just downward pressure on the fender, and then you know, just nudging in the tubing. As you can see, it's really fast, really easy. The back fender is takes a little bit longer. I did cut it off at the top crest of the vent over here on the quarter panel. Just because it looks cleaner, and there's not really a lot of risk of getting anything stuck in between there, because that gap's a lot smaller compared to up in here where the bugs and all the rocks get stuck. So I'm going to finish up installing these and then give you a quick run around on them and show you what the overall is before and after. Alright, so the whole install's done. Didn't take nothing but about 15 minutes. I'm a little peculiar about making sure that everything's kind of even on both sides, like the OCD in me. So check out the link in the bottom. Hopefully you're as happy with it as I'm sure I'll be, and we'll see you next time.